up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a video of, I think it's called Produce Day, if I'm saying it right. But so this is what I do. Sometimes I would do this. I would go and fix me some oatmeal. I know it's morning morning time, so I like eating oatmeal. I try not to eat 2 oatmeals. I try to eat like 1 oatmeal bag because I know it's not that good. But when I was waiting on there, I was cleaning the kitchen because it was kind of looking cleaning the countertop because my mom, she was outside, so I was kind of want to do that and clean the counter up. And because it hasn't been cleaned that much right since we moved in there. Well, it has been clean, but I want to kind of do that and to clean it. And I did saw a dead bug right there where I said, oh, that was just nasty. But so yeah. Okay, the dressels right here, the spoons, they are clean in there and everything is clean. We just had to get something for the dresser. We don't have nothing new, but soon we gonna get one. Okay, sometimes I will get on my laptop. I will get on there and just kind of search on Google. But this day I was searching like for some dental insurance. That's the only thing I was doing, and that was it. I was gonna get back on it later, so that's the only thing I kind of do. Sometimes I will get on my laptop, probably go on YouTube, and that's the only thing I would do probably. So yeah, that's it. Now time for Netflix. My favorite thing to do to watch is Netflix, and I love Netflix. It's the best ever.
Oh, ain't it funny how you all wanna be the G?
Hey.
Be the G. Heard enough. I make you.
Okay, hey guys, and I haven't talked on here. I have to talk because my teeth is hurting me, my top teeth on my left side. Might be soon going to get it pulled and put one of them crowns. It's like the crowns that look like your natural teeth. So I gotta give me some dentist insurance and stuff on that. But right now I'm just I'm doing like a self-care, kind of relaxing. I was watching Lucifer on Netflix, and I'm paused there right now because I need to kind of exercise, and I'm gonna write in my journal for next video I'm gonna do too. This is like the video right now I'm doing. It's a beautiful day, but it's hot, and my teeth it's not hurting really bad, but it's kind of a little. I gotta fix my hair too, but first I'm gonna meditate, but I'm gonna get back into do this. I'm kind of still sleepy because of from yesterday, and my head was killing me, y'all. So I decided to come outside to see what my mom doing. She was on the phone with my godmother, her friend. So that's the only thing I just did to check outside, and it was really hot. Alright guys, I see a spider. And every time he's coming this near this window, it be a spider. I gotta use this bug spray and spray it. I don't know where is it. Oh my word! I just got a paper towel. I gotta spray this window. So sometimes I will be putting this stuff on this carpet on the floor. My mom will do it too. I would do it to kind of keep the floor fresh and smell good. my arm. Okay, sometimes I will be working out. When I wake in the morning, I stretch my body because sometimes, you know, you be laying down so long, you gotta stretch your body. And that's what I do before I get ready to do the fully workout. And I kind of stretch and squat, and that's what I kind of do. Okay, now on to my meditate. I will be meditating, I would say sometimes. I used to meditate every day, but I'm trying to get back to meditate every day. Sorry about the background, the voice in here. But I will do that to kind of like release all stress, and especially from working at my job. And okay, so I take some vitamins. I take one vitamin each, I probably say every day, but not like, you know, the ones at one time. But if I don't want to take the hair vitamin, I would probably take that. If I don't want to take the hair vitamin pill, I probably would take the gummy kind. So sometimes I would do that and have a drink of water. And so drink a good water. Water is really good for your skin. Okay, now I came in the bathroom. I went in the bathroom to kind of put this stuff. It's for, you know, if a gum, toothache or something. It's this product stuff is for. So I'm trying to use it to kind of put that on there. Sometimes it will work, but I still put it on it to kind of help it. But it's okay. But so I just want to show y'all and let y'all know. Okay, so I'm reading this book. I'm trying to get back into reading books because it's really good to kind of help your mind and find something that's interesting. And also, I'm kind of getting back into doing my sketches, drawing, and it's my sketchbook, my new sketchbook I got. I kind of been trying to do drawing clothes and stuff, and also other things I be showing. So that's what I do on my days off from work. I would probably do it sometimes. So this is the end of the video. I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you are new, and share this video. Tell me in the comments, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.